Hi, welcome today. We're going to do a product review. We're going to do a little something different. Excuse my look. We were packing and getting ready for a float trip, which is the reason for the lighting, my background, everything a little different this past week. And I was doing my face, using some of my scrubs, and I thought this would be a perfect time to do a product review video. And we're going to do a product review of the Ozark Trail premium equipment. So this is a 24 can cooler. It retails for $64, I believe it's $64. Don't quote me, because we actually got it on sale for $34. So they say, I was doing some research because I really wanted to take a Yeti on our float, and everyone was saying don't buy a Yeti, you can get a Ozark Trail cooler, does the same thing, same all that jazz. And I was just like, I don't believe it. I really wanted a Yeti. So in the end, I went with my friend shopping. We got coolers, and we got I ended up getting the Ozark Trail. I was like, let me just grab the Ozark Trail. Let me try it out. Let me just do a product review. Because everywhere, when they were doing the comparisons online, when I was watching the videos, nowhere did I see where they actually submerge the product in water to see if water would get into it. And that's what I really wanted to see. And I don't see that. I see where they put in ice and was measuring how long the ice would take to melt, or how long before all the ice melt. I don't care about all that. All I wanted to know was, if I'm on a float trip and my raft or my canoe tips over and my cooler goes into the water, into the river, am I going to get river water in my cooler? That's what I was most concerned about. And if it was to be submerged for whatever reason, would it get filled up with the river water? That's what I wanted. And there was no video that I could find, not saying there's not, but that I could find that demonstrated that. So that's what we're going to do with this video. We're going to actually submerge this cooler and see if we get any water in it. So if you look inside, it's a very big cooler. It does have all the insulation. You can feel the insulation it has to keep the ice cool. So I believe it does do that. You put the ice in here, I believe it holds the ice for a whole day before it starts to melt. I don't have a problem with that. I feel the insulation throughout the cooler. It's real thick, good insulation. So, and the durability of the cooler itself, the inside, is perfect. Nothing wrong with it. You have a zipper. So you have this where it pulls up, and then when you're ready to close it, push this down like this. It goes down easily, no problem. If you look, here's this actual top, and when you zipper the cooler, this will seal up. It becomes a seal, like it blocks the water. So I will show you. Now, see how that seals? I don't know if you can see that with my lighting. And I'll show you again when we go outside. So I believe, from the looks of it, that it's going to hold the water from coming in. My only concern is when you zip it. Okay, so let me get this some more. I guess I should stick this down. So you zip it, you have these. Oh, I guess I should go up. Sorry. So when you zip it, you can actually overlap the zippers where they will hold. And so that's what I'm going to do there. And as you can see here, it's sealing it. There's a seal. When you're zipping it, it seals it. So that's great. You have the two straps here, so if you wanted to hold it in such a way that you would have it like this, where you can hold it like this by handheld, or you can do the shoulder straps. And that's definitely up to you. It's preference. I would probably do shoulder straps, just me. My husband will probably carry this instead of me, but so he'll probably do shoulder straps because he's not into carrying things by hand. He'll probably do shoulder straps. And if you notice, in the front, it has these little things here. Well, first it has another compartment here, and it has a zipper. And this is probably a good way to show you. So you see the seal? I'm going to zip it. So it has a pocket here that you can put things in. And then you have the seal that will seal it up. And then here you have where you can clip on other things. I don't know if they have like accessories that you could buy with this to put on here. But if it's anything like the Yeti, they have like, the Yeti has like the sidekick, I believe that's what it's called, or side something. It's a side bag that you can clip on. Ozark Trail may have the same thing, or they may have some other things that you can clip on here, accessories that you can clip on here, and so forth. So you may notice a little bit of water drops on here, because I did do this video once, and there's a lot of noise in the background, and then we had some neighbors that were outside and they were saying bad words, so I have to redo the video. So if you see the water, we did dry it out. We did dry everything. And so before we go outside, again, I'll open this all up, let you guys take a look, make sure you guys can see everything, and that's dry and everything, and then we will submerge it and we will see what happens. So let's go ahead and do that now. So that will be part 2. This is part 1. I'm not great at editing yet, so I don't know how to put my videos together. But so part 1 was basically just going over the body of the cooler, and part 2 will be actually submerging the cooler. So see you in a few.